Hello friends, today we will discuss inscription found in KODAD shed light on Kakatiya dynasty art and culture, scrap rubber production, RIFTIA Pachyptila environment and ecology, ribbed smoked sheet production, AI designed proteins to generate immune cells, biotechnology, life in deep in the ocean, ecology, STRYCHNOS botany, PM-KISAN scheme, Lyme disease biology, presidential re-election, international polity, black carbon geography, bluebird communication satellite technology, Darwin frog environment and ecology, the SAIGA antelope environment and ecology, ENZYME biology, ALPHAEARTH Foundation technology, PROTOPLANET international. Here you can see in the picture the inscription sheds light on Kakatiya dynasty. What it indicates that Kakatiya Gundiya, also known as Manma Gunda, son of Era, grandson of Gunda. Now this inscription says the qualities regarding was praised as a brave, devout, charitable, loyal servant of the king. So inscription records that King Vikramaditya granted 12 khandukas of land in the village Khandajenu along with 2 small hamlets. So this inscription is giving indication regarding those days lifestyle, and it also states that residents of 300 villages in Kondapalli Vishya were required to remit 1/6 of the tax, 6 cows, 1 adaka of ghee, pair of cloths to Gundiya. So this inscription is giving all this information regarding those days tax system and how land is distributed, how the Manma Gunda is charitable, loyal servant of the king. Scrap rubber production is primarily from waste tires, right? Involves recycling process to convert those rubber into useful material by pulverization and increasingly pyrolysis to produce valuable secondary raw material. RIFTIA Pachyptila. This is a marine invertebrate and also the category of phylum Annelid. It is found in shallow water marine environments or coral reefs, right? Specifically grows on geologically active regions of Pacific Ocean sea floor. Remember, very specifically given the region of Pacific Ocean sea floor near hydrothermal vents. Very unique to this. Why in deep hydrothermal vents condition, you will come to know in further coming slide. Life in deep ocean. Here ribbed smoked sheets. Ribbed smoked sheets are smoked rubber sheets that have been processed from unsmoked sheets, right? And After that, they are classified according to their quality and purities. Here, ribbed smoke sheets serve as a raw material in the production of many products, including car tires making, conveyor belts making, rubber pipes, shoes, and automotive parts. Here, AI technology designed proteins to generate immune cells. Here, scientists used artificial intelligence to design protein to generate number of immune cells to enhance immunity against diseases. It can be cancer to viral infection and all. You also might have heard about AI in drug design. It is same like that. Now, the scientists engineered synthetic activator of a key cellular pathway. Your body cell have a different mechanisms of triggering each other with protein interaction from plasma membrane like vacuoles, mitochondria, nucleus. Different interactions goes, and each interaction have a cellular pathway. So in this synthetic activators of a key cellular pathway called notch signaling, which plays a crucial role in cellular differentiation and is essential for transforming human immune progenitor into T cells. Life in deep in the ocean. Here in deep ocean, living communities can be powered by chemosynthesis, right? The organisms get energy from chemicals like methane, hydrogen sulfide instead of sunlight. So here the importance is methane and hydrogen sulfide in deep ocean instead of where sunlight is not reachable. And this ecosystem found between depth of 5 to 9.5 kilometer stretch. Strychnos is a species of tropical woody plant. So question if asked regarding this tree, so this is a tropical woody plant and indigenous to India, distributed in moist deciduous forest throughout the tropical India. So very unique points. It is tropical woody plant distributed in moist deciduous forest, right? This is used for stomachache, cardiotonic and respiratory stimulant. And most another significant thing is that it is a significance for insight into the evolution and geographical distribution of angiosperms. Here the one plant is not just plant in itself. Sometimes studying one particular species gives insights of evolution also. PM-KISAN, the scheme offering financial support to small marginal farmers across India. Eligible farmers receive 6,000 annually in 3 equal installments directly into their account for their strengthening farmers' livelihood and promote agriculture growth. Lyme disease is a bacterial infection spread through the bite of infected ticks. So it is a bacterial infection. presidential re-election, very unique observation. El Salvador approves indefinite presidential re-election and extends presidential terms to 6 years. So column will be there, the name El Salvador, and in right side it will be presidential indefinite elections or re-elections. You have to match with which country in recent news regarding indefinite presidential re-election. Black carbon is a kind of a shoot component of fine particulate air pollution of 2.5 found because of incomplete combustion. Example, wood waste, fossil fuels process, which also create carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide and volatile organic compounds. So this is the definition of this carbon, black carbon. The main thing is that what are the sources of black carbon? One, household energy, transport sector, industrial production, agricultural burning, waste burning, fossil fuels. Here another last statement regarding this black carbon is that black carbon emissions in India, with states like Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra contributing significantly through forest and agricultural fires. After launch of NISR from ISRO is hoping to launch BLUEBIRD Communications Satellite developed by US based AST Space Mobile. Darwin frog is a species of frog of family Rhinodermatidae, right? It is classified as an endangered species by International Union for Conservation of Nature. The unique thing is that it is have an unusual method of brooding, and that is that male will facilitate for development of its tadpole. It's okay, but thing is it facilitates the development inside its vocal sac. So this is a Darwin frog. So next thing is that frog is found in Chile and Argentina, and diet of this Darwin frog includes detrivore, herbivore and carnivore invertebrates. SAIGA antelope is a species of antelope which during antiquity inhabited a vast area of the Eurasian steppe spanning the foothills of Carpathian mountains. Here the topic enzymes. Enzymes is a protein that act as a biological catalyst. So when it acts as a catalyst, it just escalates the chemical reactions without being consumed in the process, right? And molecules on which enzymes act called substrates. And at the final end, it will be converted into products. Here, ALPHAEARTH Foundations, it uses artificial intelligence model to function like virtual satellite, right? Now here this new AI model integrates petabytes of Earth observation data to generate unified data representation that revolutionize the global mapping and monitoring. So in this way you can use this kind of data for handling different issues like food security, deforestation, urban expansion, and water resources. Here, PROTOPLANET, it is a host network of international experts who participate in their individual capacity as a PROTOPLANET expert network who are specialization in microgravity, astrobiology, climate, environmental and planetary sciences.